still laughing. Now he's getting laughing fits. Chris, breathe. Slow, breathe.
No, that's what happens when you do in labor.
I know that's what happens when you do it in labor. I was doing that on purpose. Because I knew he'd keep laughing.
He's trying so hard. I think he's got it.
What's wrong with me?
You don't get what? I heard spits and rolling.
I'll get what's wrong with me.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I just keep telling you to breathe and you do that. What your problem is? Ready? Breathe in. Yeah, now he's just faking it. No, he's not. Now breathe in and breathe out and breathe in.
You got a problem.